If you want to reset the secure folder password on the Samsung Galaxy S26, if you go to the secure folder and if you try to enter an incorrect password, and if you have a Samsung account assigned into the secure folder, if it's connected, then you should be able to see the forgot password, forgot pattern, pin code option. So of course, then you can tap on it and then you can reset the secure folder password with your Samsung account. However, if you did not use your Samsung account to be, well, if you didn't set it up, if you cannot really use it in order to recover the password, then of course this option to reset the password will not be available. In that case, what you can do is you can sign out of your Samsung account on your phone. So in here we need to go to accounts and backup and then manage accounts, select your Samsung account and then remove the account from here. And once you do so, if we try to open the secure folder, then you will see this information that the secure folder has been locked. And what you can do is you can uninstall the secure folder completely. Of course, everything that you have inside that secure folder right now is going to be erased. So if you have some important files that you don't really want to lose, then maybe you still should try to get the password to try to enter it. However, if you are certain that you don't mind uninstalling the secure folder, then of course we can uninstall it from our phone. And then of course you can set it up again. So you can go to settings, then proceed to security and privacy, and here go to more security settings, and here we have the secure folder. Of course we can set it up again. That is pretty much it. Leave a like and subscribe.